Every laptop can do this, but can your laptop do this? Today I have something very interesting to show you people. This is not your regular laptop guys, it's a 2-in-1 convertible notebook. You can use it like a laptop, completely flip it to the other side, use it like a dedicated tablet or even use it in tent mode, it's all up to you. This is Lenovo's all new ThinkBook 14 2-in-1 G4 guys, 2024 edition. So in the past also Lenovo made plenty of 2-in-1 convertible notebooks, but this one over here is based on like next gen platform. It's powered by Intel's Core Ultra CPUs that makes it AI ready. And not to miss out, you're also getting integrated NPU on board Intel AI Boost, so it's capable of handling all your AI related workloads and applications. Keeping that aside, laptop also has some very interesting features. First of all, you're getting a 14 inches WXGA format, 100% sRGB color gamut range, IPS display, that too touch display guys, includes a stylus as well in the package, and plenty of other interesting features. This is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. And before we get started, I'd like to mention that this video was made in collab with Lenovo and Intel. A big thank you to them. And by the way, whatever feedback and review I'll be sharing with you people in this video, right, it's completely based on my opinion only and not influenced by Lenovo. Let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, our brand new Lenovo ThinkBook came in this sort of packaging. Very simple packaging. You just have the Lenovo ThinkBook branding on the front. Now going to the side here, you can check out all of its specs and features. It's available in multiple hardware configurations. Today in the home we have the Intel Core Ultra 7 edition. We'll anyhow talk about all these specs in a moment, right? Let's quickly get started with the unboxing first. As soon as you open the package, there you go boys, our brand new ThinkBook 14 2-in-1 G4 in the hands, and it comes in this beautiful Luna grey finish. We'll just come back to the laptop in a moment. Keeping that aside, you also get some accessories. This is the stylus which I was talking about. I've told you, right, it's a 2-in-1 convertible notebook, so obviously you can use the stylus for your creativity sort of stuff. Has a built-in battery guys, so you don't need to keep replacing AAA batteries in this thing. Along with that, you're also getting a 65 watt compact slim USB-C adapter, a main cord for the adapter, and some paperwork. Just make sure to read them. So that's it. These are all the stuff you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the laptop and talk about the design and build quality first. Okay, initial impressions I have to mention guys, Lenovo's all new ThinkBook 2-in-1 looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at the build quality over here. This ThinkBook is made very well guys, quite sturdy and durable build quality, and don't forget it is also military standard 810H rated, so very durable body. Talking about the design, clean, minimalist and modern. You just have the Lenovo metal badge on the bottom right corner, says ThinkBook at the top side, and you can actually check out that it features a two-tone finishing. The color they're calling it as Luna Grey and looks absolutely lovely guys. Good thing is, despite the body is entirely made of metal, it doesn't seem to attract a lot of fingerprints, so definitely a plus point. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. Starting off from the left side here, you can check out a couple of ports which include one USB-C port which is used for your charging purpose. A tiny charging status LED indicator is also there. A full-size USB 3.2 Gen 1 port is available. A full-size HDMI is also there. One more USB-C port, and yes, it does support Thunderbolt 4.0 and doubles up as your DP port as well. Followed by a 3.5mm audio jack, and that is pretty much it. There is nothing on the front side. And going to the other side, here you've got some more ports and buttons. This one is your power button guys, with a tiny power indicator as well. Micro SD card reader is also available. One more USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, and this one is your Kensington lock to offer you extra security guys, especially if you're using this for business purpose. So that's it. These are all the available IO connectivity ports on this model. Plenty of IO ports are there and gets your day-to-day sort of job easily covered. Here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. You're getting plenty of cutouts and vents on the bottom, basically your air intakes, and has the cooling system on board. Rubber foot pads on all the corners, and you see these tiny grills on the left and right profile of the laptop. These are your stereo speakers by Harman and also support Dolby Atmos as well. We'll definitely talk about the audio quality part when we test out the speakers. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the laptop. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the hardware configuration, right? So this particular variant features 116GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 5600 MHz, and good thing is RAM is also upgradable. You can easily expand the RAM up to 64GB, that too in dual channel because two slots are available. And talking about the storage, on board we are getting 1TB PCI Gen 4 SSD, and a spare slot is also there there. So storage is also upgradable. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors look like. And as soon as you open it, first thing you'll notice is the hinge design. The laptop not only supports like complete 180-degree flat hinge design, but total 360 degrees, guys. You can totally completely flip the display to the other side just like this, and even use it in a dedicated tablet mode. You're also getting that included stylus in the package, right? There are so many things you can do with it, especially if you're like an artist or you do a lot of creativity sort of stuff. Anyways, quality of the hinge is also very good, guys. No wobbles, nothing like that. Super stable and durable build quality. Let's start off with the upper half section. As I've told you, on board the ThinkBook 14 2-in-1 features a 14 inches WXGA format, basically 1920 by 1200, 100% sRGB IPS level display, and best part is it's a touch display, guys. And not to miss out, it is also Corning Gorilla Glass protected. Bezels are also quite slim on the sides, but at the top and bottom you do have a little bit of chin. Going to the top side, here you're getting a full HD 1080p webcam, and yes, you're also getting a manual privacy shutter included, guys, so definitely appreciate that, Lenovo. So that was about the upper half section, and coming down to the lower half section, let's talk about the keyboard and the touchpad. So on board you're getting a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of this keyboard is also very nice, just like Lenovo's premium segment, right? Here also you're getting slightly curved and dished out keycaps that give you a very comfortable feel when you're typing. Quality of the keys, the keycaps, everything is nice, offer a tactile and clicky feedback, and I had a good time using this laptop in the last couple of days. And not to miss out, as I've told you, it is also white LED backlit, and the backlight brightness is also adjustable in 2 steps, plus you can leave it to auto setting as well. Talking about the touchpad quality is also nice. You're getting a premium mylar covered touchpad that easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures, face no dead zones anywhere, and quality of the integrated buttons is also good. So moving on, let me tell you about the display and the sound quality part. First of all, coming to the display, on board you're getting a 14 inches WXGA format, basically 1920 by 1200, 100% sRGB color gamut range, IPS level touch display, guys. And I've been using this display for quite some time. Watched variety of content, not just like movies, web series on OTT platforms, but YouTube videos for my office related work, and also a little bit of creativity as well. And I'm telling you, right, display quality on this model is very good. You'll be like pretty satisfied over here. There is good amount of detail. Obviously 1920 by 1200 resolution at 14 inches, everything looks crisp and clear, guys, like text on websites, all of that is very easily readable. Contrast ratio, black levels are also nice. And talking about the colors are also really good. It is producing punchy and accurate looking colors, all thanks to that IPS display. And yes, as it supports 100% sRGB color gamut range, even if you want to use the display for like creativity sort of works, maybe like photo editing, video editing, color grading stuff, right, aram se you can use it, not an issue at all. Now talking about the brightness of the panel is also nice. You can easily go up to like 300-320 nits, and I had no issues checking out the display even in like brightly lit rooms. Viewing angles again were great, all thanks to that IPS panel. Only thing if I had to nitpick is the panel is not anti-glare coated, because it's a touch panel, right? Obviously attracts a lot of reflections and glare, especially if you have like a lot of light sources in the room. And also I really wish it had slightly higher refresh rate, maybe like, you know, minimum 90 Hz, because these days after using so many high refresh rate panels, I kind of got used to that. So 60 Hz is kind of old school, but apart from that, everything else is fine. Keeping the display quality aside, let me actually talk about the built-in speakers. On board you're getting stereo speakers by Harman, each of 2 watts, so totally you can expect around like 4 watts of audio output, and also Dolby Atmos support. So I've watched a variety of content, as I've told you, movies and also like web series on OTT platforms, and audio quality of those speakers is actually pretty good. It is producing crisp and clear sound. All the dialogues were like very easily audible, and good vocal clarity as well. Treble performance was also nice. So for the price that you're paying, right, it's like a great entertainment machine. You'll be plenty satisfied with both the display and audio performance on this laptop. Now let's come to the main part, guys. How is the performance of this laptop? First of all, talking about the specs, I've told you, right, all these 2024 Lenovo laptops are powered by Intel's Core Ultra CPUs. You get like different variants and configurations. Today in the home, our laptop is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 155U CPU. Basically has like 12 cores, 14 threads with a max turbo clock of up to 4.8 GHz. So unlike the older gen CPUs where you used to get 2 clusters of CPUs, P cores and E cores, here you're actually getting one more set of low power E-cores. So totally that gives you 2 P-cores, 8 E-cores and 2 more low power E-cores. P-core stands for performance cores and E-core stands for efficient cores. And with the help of Intel Thread Director, which is integrated into your operating system, it smartly optimizes which sort of application or workload should be given to optimal cores. And based on that, right, they automatically divide and get your job done much more faster and efficiently. So P cores or performance cores usually take care of all your heavy applications or workloads, maybe like 4K gaming, 3D designing and stuff like that. Whereas E cores take care of all your multi-threaded applications or background related tasks. Maybe for example, you're running something in your Chrome browser and you minimize it, right? It is automatically assigned to E core, or maybe some sort of cloud syncing is happening in the background, right? All these sort of applications or tasks are handled by E cores. So that is how these Intel CPUs work and get your job done much more efficiently. Plus, not to miss out that all new NPU, neural processing unit, called as Intel AI Boost, specifically designed to handle all your AI workloads and applications. I have been using this laptop for the past few days and laptop was performing very well, guys. Swift, snappy and quite responsive. I was running the laptop with variety of applications like having a bunch of Edge tabs open in the background, browsing the web, running 1080p videos on YouTube and simultaneously doing a bit of Photoshop. Nothing seemed to slow it down. Muska performance is what I can say. And now coming to the operating system, Lenovo's ThinkBook 14 2-in-1 G4 comes with Windows 11 Pro operating system out of the box. And you people already know about Windows 11, right? It offers like a very clean and modern UI with a revamped interface and lots of upgrades and improvements over the previous gen. Plus ton of smart features as well. One such feature that I use on a day-to-day basis is its native voice dictation support in Windows 11, which you can easily access using Windows plus H shortcut just like this. Moving on, now let's talk about its main highlight. Microsoft Copilot integration. Copilot in Windows is an AI-powered assistant that answers any sort of questions you throw at it, gets you info from across the web, has generative AI built in, full of creative results at the tip of your hand. You can easily access Copilot from the bottom right corner of your taskbar, or in my case, right, my laptop has like a dedicated Copilot key on the keyboard. Simply click that for one-click access. And let me tell you, Copilot is very smart. Not just basic info, it is powerful enough to generate like a full code for any sort of program you ask it. I'm telling you, right, I have a lot of fun with Microsoft Copilot. If you people have it, do try it out and share your experience as well in the comment section down below. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. On board, the laptop packs a 60 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, and battery life is actually pretty good on this model. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 50-55%, doing day-to-day sort of activities, maybe like browsing the web, watching a couple of videos on YouTube and also office related works and a little bit of creativity stuff, right? You can easily expect around like 13 to 14 hours of battery life on a single charge. Not to miss out, it does support 65 watt USB-C fast charging, right? So that quickly tops up the battery life. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our detailed video on Lenovo's all new ThinkBook 14 2-in-1 G4 convertible notebook. I hope you people got all the information you're looking for. Definitely share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the product? I'll leave all the pricing details and also the buy links as well. You can check it out in the description box below. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.